Well, Deborah, the man who we're talking about is Sean Andrew Duncan. Federal investigators say he may have been an ISIS supporter and was researching exactly how to plan his own attack.
This bizarre story starts with Sean Andrew Duncan moving from Pittsburgh to Sterling into this home. Court documents reveal it was a relative who tipped off the FBI last year. That relative telling them Duncan converted to Islam and may have been radicalized because he approved of Westerners being beheaded in the Middle East. Duncan and his wife, according to court documents, traveled from the U.S. to Turkey. They also tried to get into Bangladesh, but were denied. Friday, FBI agents removed boxes from his home for hours. In a search of his phone, they found Duncan was searching for ISIS material, weapons, body armor, and defense tactics. The searches were clear indicators to investigators that he was planning his own attack. The FBI got more information from a woman who was arrested for trying to join ISIS. She told them she and Duncan met online, started talking regularly. That's when she says he told her he too was interested in joining ISIS. All that is what led up to Friday's raid. When authorities got to the home, Duncan ran out the back barefoot. He threw a bag at investigators. Inside the bag was a thumb drive he destroyed.
And for now, the only thing Duncan is charged with is destroying evidence. That thumb drive, investigators say it was all his effort to stop their investigation into him. He is still in custody tonight. Deborah.